Well, I'm back out here in the greenhouse and it is nice and toasty again. It was about 93 degrees until we opened up these doors, so it's very comfortable now. Wanted to share with you guys what we're going to do today and show you something else that I'm really excited about. We're going to put together 4 shelves made out of 2x4 and plywood that will go on the garage side wall of the greenhouse. And then after that, we're gonna hang a really long ladder up in the rafters for me to hang some plants on. Over here, we'll do one probably right about here, and then a second one, we'll evenly space them, but right about here. And then on this side, next to the garden, we'll do the same thing, just 2 shelves. But what I'm most excited about is this ladder. This used to be in our house as a pot rack, and then it turned into a blanket rack. And now I'm excited to put it in my greenhouse. And like I said, it will go up on these rafters. We'll just hang it with some chain, and I will have all these areas here that go across to hang any kind of hangy plants. So I think that will be really pretty. I was really needing some shelves to put, all my supplies. Like every gardener has a million of these things, all different sizes. This side of the greenhouse gets a lot more sun than the window side gets. You can see it's right in my face, right from the roof. Shines down on this wall and gets quite warm. So yeah, I'll be able to hang up my tools, my pots, maybe a couple of houseplants as it warms up a bit. And I think it'll look really cute. this space open because at some point we will mount the sink with a faucet, and until then I'd like to use that bench space. I picked up a top of a changing table from my son and it fits perfect, so I'll use that for like seed planting so that it doesn't fall through the cracks. So yeah, check it out.